Vanuatu move now, yeah. Time blow voice and bright long you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You make love Vanuatu now, yeah. Vanuatu move now, yeah. Time.
You also take him time here, to welcome him all directors, lo Ministry of Internal Affairs, all narula ministries will stop, all narula leaders play me, will stop with me, all chiefs, all elders, all pastors will stop, and all staff play me will stop lo pisia, media, all narula people will stop, and also we take time here to also welcome them those throughout the Vanuatu will stop listen, also kata will watch, wherever you stop, welcome them you know this important event where today you must have a go through them. This afternoon, before you may go through the referendum or launch law awareness for referendum or campaign for referendum. We also got this opportunity for you, Honorable Minister, and we have signed one milestone document lo country, and especially one contract. One long issue with this country Mr. go through, and we issue the passport system. You got on this afternoon before you may go through the referendum, Honorable Minister, by me make him signing by make a small talk after him sign him contract the new passport system whereby you may sabe address him issues mo cry the people of Vanuatu or narola people blame you only stop wherever you stop only always got complain about passport, and today Honorable Minister mi sign contract you may embark the installation the new passport system blame you not. Me again, taking time here to welcome me. Matalam thank you that this opportunity have come. You have come to join me this afternoon. We came on you, Honorable Minister, to make a small talk. Lo new system lo passport, also contract with by sign before you to go through further law launch lo awareness campaign lo referendum. Thank you too much.
Thank you, Director General. All the distinguished guests we all stop. Me want them got pleasure me invite them former President of the Republic, them to me stop on top lo podium lo pleasure. Mesti kalkot matas kele maybe one or two representative including Chairman of the Eminent Persons Group, Mr. Joe and Mr. Corman. Only represent them group, yeah. Mr. Joe, Excellency, former President, with them, Mr. Corman, former Speaker and former Prime Minister. Thank you, Your Eminence. Honorable colleague Minister of Justice, Honorable John Amos. All the honorable members of Parliament, all the distinguished chairmen of all different committees of Parliament, distinguished Eminent Persons Group, Chairperson of Eminent Persons Group, Mr. Joe Natuman, former President, Yumi, Mr. Kelekele, former Prime Minister and former Speaker, Mr. Corman, with them every Naravala eminent business group will sit down, look at the government officials, Director General Law, Ministry of Law Internal Affairs, Principal Electoral Officer, with them Yumi Law Civil Society and everyone where Yumi stop it today. Especially me want to tell them thank you, Law behalf of government, Law you will everyone, you will have come together today. Then out, Law blessed today, Law afternoon, and we show him importance where you may attach him to one process where government and we stop embark them on behalf of you everyone. And hence all announcements for the day by him very important look item you me so that you aware the work where you may suppose you may go out you may undertaken. But before doing so, and by me God bless you, me sign him one contract with me go through law all different processes for government, particularly law issue law passport systems where me stop issue law passport you may everyone you may aware start law 2009 ni kamantap I think some lo you may only aware law one system law passport where you may start right them lohan and me been stop law foreign affairs time where me will stop issue more diplomatic passports you may stop right them lohan with this time you may move beyond them. System where you make out today, one system where you're right, stop, but very slow. And make them say backlog law or passport applications where stop today, make them big one too much. Make them say government, must move, blow you me find them one better system, blow make them say you may satisfy them growing need, blow passport. Look at the renewals, look at the new ones who you must make them, passports, demand blue DSP, demand blue RAC with the MSWB, demand blue all school students, demand blue everyone. We only want them travel, only need them passports. But you make that backlog where me stop, make that pleasure, blow quick time, blow me sign them, so that they may come out publicly, blow people only service, you may address a problem where we stop through all systems with government and we want to put them in place by April. We'll make them see you have a prime address and issues for passports for you. Thank you. Ministry of Internal Affairs, we got one heavy responsibility this year where we charged with them, and particular law running law referendum, whereby we held law May number 29. At the same time, we must address an issue law passports too, where within law one time frame where you may set them before you may and you may announce to the Parliament too. April. At the same time, Ministry me compact them schedule blame to law by elections by me held law Ambram with them law Sanma provincial elections law 14th of March. So every walk here, law you me go out law campaign, law elections and by elections law to the province, particularly Sanma with them Ampram, as well as responsibility belong run them one historical referendum. So you make out one heavy schedule where me stop ahead of you me, but me want them take an opportunity of tell them thank you long all staff, Director General, all directors who only stop here, only serve work law one environment, low pressure. With them, you may meet them all deadlines where you may yet, you may set them, notably you may achieve certain objectives. Law you may. But at the same time, you may stop work law referendum, government may look himself a limited capacity blame, particularly law electoral office with the electoral commission. We will beef up capacity thanks to the budget where government may pass them Luwikia. You make out one total budget long 350 million Vatu, whereby you may run them campaign with them logistics and everything. Lo make him say you may serve as much as possible, reach him. All people believe me, all every islands believe me, with them all communities believe me. So make a small introduction here, before we make him one talk with him. Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable Members of Parliament, Excellencies, former Prime Ministers and former Deputy Prime Ministers, Ministers, Opposition leader, present with them all opposition leaders, pass all different committees, referendum, media, team, all listeners, all viewers, all followers. Today, we one important day, you may launch him again, intensive campaign, long referendum. Hemi history, Vanuatu government, you make him launch here. From you may never got any referendum where you may engage them directly with them people. I got full up question about Toktokia referendum. Referendum, and by you find them origins blame, lo Latin Toktok, where emi minim say you refer back, you take me go back. So in simple terms blame, where you may stop using one political terminology, where you may stop using today, referendum, emi simply minim say you take him, you go back, lo karem, ting lo people, and particularly Locasia, where ting lo people long one legal question. The Savakat referendum too, or when you missed up column plebiscite long on policy question. The referendum where you make out there, emi, directly address an issue long constitutional amendment where you may want them addressing because of the series of political instability where you may face. You may say ever since 1991 where you may face him instability come Kasim today. So government may impact them, you may activate them different committees where you may set them up all kata, you may got communication committee, you may got legal committee, you may got logistics, you may got institutional committee where all kata do only help long, allow them entry point long civil society only have come inside through the place now through all institutions committee will only have take part and participate long campaign where you may stop organize them now. With them support long electoral office, with them electoral commission, committee by hemi continue long hemi provide them information where by helping you long you better understand them how long you vote before you have a custom vote you 29 May. Whether long vote yes or no, you got the right you determine it. But information driven by electoral office, by hemi provide them along with them support more leadership long everyone, particularly members of parliament will start with today, long only helping people you me of all different backgrounds, only better understand them. When them now hemi question long referendum where you may stop talk about it. You may bring him forward too, you may bring him on board all former leaders you me, some of which only all drafters block all constitution where established. So historical path long constitution, even all time where only been stopped talk about them, yeah, and by you may give him opportunity, lo people too, only ask him question. That's why eminent persons group, or where you may call them national eminent persons group, advisory group, only stop with them, you me, long, you may have a go out. Wherever you may have a go with them, all long, only have a share him experience, long help him, you may long better understand them. Historical part of the process, more, we're placed now, you may want them go. So we want them take an opportunity of me acknowledge him all me tell them thank you, long willingness more. Very much dedication where me look only committee more particularly blow stop attend them all meetings blow over and advice long help him you me. Parliament long Republic blow Vanuatu last year me unanimously agree more long got some change long constitution me 8 amendment long constitution and hemi amendment ye hemi kamol sim one package long political reform where you may look in some new legislation so you may pass in the parliament, particularly new political party registration act, one single harmonized electoral act where we make some amendments to all honorable legislations where we start talk about elections. Thinking behind long all amendments here we belong you may address some issue long political instability where you stop go ahead as now long country you me long cut all amendment long constitution any team you must cut one national referendum long you me allow him all man woman lo Vanuatu lo decide si only agree long all Genesia particularly time where you make all Genesis where make implication long parliamentary system you me electoral system you me or even on language in this case believe me important constitutional amendment where you make me that's directly parliamentary systems you me so therefore you make a go back me refer back to people long only vote long question as to whether only agree suppose only agree only vote yes majority only vote yes then he give him effect long whenever you meet in passing long parliament. We want them announce him that they do say campaign awareness long referendum registration more verification long national ID by me start today me stop go which means the time with team me go out long me run all campaigns long all communities long all different time schedules so by me read them out now long all different islands you me only go with them team long validate them more help them you me long registration long card all ID cards you me when by you me use them you me vote when by next week when by all materials you me we basically me will like finish and me start with them me will a translation blame when by it should be ready by next week and you me should be able you me service stop go out and team me stop travel we go to all different islands and villages across every provinces you me we'll talk about issue long after next week when by first provincial awareness when by me start long island long Malekula when by me start long Lakatoro long Monday number 26th of February after Lemia when by campaign team and we continue long all areas long central north with them southeast south more southwest Malekula planning lo team when by only cover map Pama Island too when by you me coordinate them with them all members of parliament all councillors all area administrators all youth councils all narrow groups we only connect well with them provinces when by awareness here me take him around 2 weeks long area you me long Malamba we want them tell them to say all MPs all members of parliament me important say only go out only got direct engagement there with them all communities you me only have help them people only understand them say even inside the parliament all MPs only been got one voice everyone he vote for not got one MP and me vote against me vote no everyone he vote for so you may expect them on strong leadership all members of parliament and you may want them as much as possible long engaging all MPs long only take them lead long all constituencies work in partnership with them all area councillors you me all councillors you me all area councils area administrators and area secretaries long make them say you may have a achievement by got all budget allocation where you may give him long ensure say all MPs only go out long only make them work long all constituencies but ministry we want them ensure say after long every something accountability we must remain particularly in terms of how you may use some budget so effectively by you may request them all members of parliament only In fact, Dokata now only take a leading role on all different constituencies, Dokata, with them all team with Ministry of Internal Affairs and Mr. out, with them all ministers who by only take ownership long process, including backup long all advisory, national advisory, eminent persons group will start with them Yumi. So by Olympics will submit more work programs Dokata, we will release some budget, we go all kata long ensure say kita tu oleh sabe achieve more work programs plol kita and me him strong all colleague members of parliament will take him strong leadership so people oleh sabe looking you mean forefront for campaign mo awareness team bambahe mi move ko lo sanma lo end lo February mo start with them look and feel mo mi travel ko long every area councils. And lo time by registration me happen no more long. Look and feel from by no conflict with them provincial election processes where me stop go ahead long San Manaya with them timeline long election. From by team me spend them 2 weeks long Sanma. Long week long 1st of March. From by campaign mo awareness team 2 by go round long Sheva province le Evate, Woodvilla. Outer Islands Blumi, Ebi more Shepherd's Group, from by campaign team, and we make them 2 weeks long cover up Sheva, more Outer Islands. At the same time, while we will stop or MPs or ministers Blumi or Sheva, we want them use some opportunity next week, and Parliament may stop in sessions. Suppose me, you're right, 1 or 2 hours, we will launch them, some all areas, Efate, we task them finish, all officials Blumi, will organize them. Particularly long Efate villages, Blue Yumisave started memia, Blue Yumisave minimize him, better make use long all time, Blue Yumi. Long number 3 week Blue March, by team is Stablo Ambai, where you may spend them 1 week Lo Ambai, after team me go Lo Maivo, make him awareness 1 week, next week Blahem, by team me travel go long Pentecost. Or make them awareness away 1 week. Every island, by team, and we work with them all members of parliament, councillors, all area councils, all chiefs, all churches, all youth, civil society. We'll make them say you make us as much as possible. Every villages, you mean. The first week of April, from by team is start Lotorba, where we spend them 2 weeks Lotorba, lo finish all islands Lotorba. Lo time you do, by team and we work with the MPs, all councillors, area administrators, chiefs and churches, all groups, where you meet on top long Torba. Number 3 week long April, from by team and we visit them Tafea Islands, Tafea Out Islands, where by I mean including all Out Islands, you meet long, particularly long Nijum, with the Manua. He believes we will adequately cover up Futuna, and then we no stop him team long electoral commission lo hemi sabe ko down long Futuna Pakaken. From by team we spend them 2 weeks long Tafea. We walk with them Olympics, with them every Narvala political leaders Pluyumi, long hemi cover up all villages Pluyumi long Tafea. Now from say you make a by-election long Ambrem, from by team and we make them awareness more registration long Ambrem after long by election long 4th week long March or 1st week long April. You make out plan 2 long awareness more campaign team and we travel you go long Numea, New Caledonia, Australia, New Zealand, more Fiji. By awareness more registration it happened long end long March. Some 2nd week long April. Same time, by you may deploy all different forms of social media platforms where you make out. That is why you make out one very strong media committee where me stop and me want to mention you will be fair, you will be simple. People will have understandable content, long messaging you meet time where you stop go out. Also, me tell finish from by You make all different kind of programs by him involve him all ministers. By him involve him prime minister, former prime ministers, all debates, posters, radio programs, radio jingles or SMS, or TV, or pass them information throughout long country. And him start today. What time we by you stop go all provinces, more islands, you me by got 2 old ministers, MPs, all respected leaders, who have been drafted constitutional symbol, that will stop with them you me today, or them bless them you long only stop with them you me long. Guide them you me, long all ting and give him support. And minimum say support you make long all different levels, long leadership, you me. All different teams here. By start travel out, start the 4th week of February, by you may aim say only visit them every islands, majority belong all villages, Vanuatu. You may plan say campaign more awareness. You finish lo end April, but you may mindful to the weather, where you may serve this step you may. So me tala finish, you may plan use some existing structures for governance for you me, all area councils with them churches for you me, only help, you may serve a raise him. Awareness with them one voice here, let me play me 40 years. Save constitutional right you me, by him permitting you me, freedom of expression, freedom of choice, but the new government, they may advocate him, you me 40 years, in order to you me achieve him desired outcome, destiny, along political stability you me. And by communications committee, and we work on properly controlled structure, but make him say all content, long messaging where you may stop give him out, and we must properly sanctioned by the committee. Make him say, "Katawali work where you may use more kata, lo work where you must got one controlled message." Lo ensure say you may not have one conflicting campaign. I think by all details, all questions always have come, but yes, of course, you may want them participation belong civil society, belong all get the two come on board. The two only we believe say only stop with them you me long process yeah. Again also we will finish from by you me allow them right here blow information and we go out, but information with government and we use them and we must be one and we must be properly coordinated. So distinguished guests, colleague minister, honorable members of parliament. And now I end long press statement when we give him. We got questions on officials will stop will have an answer.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Lo explanation lo you, lo one simple way. Lo you be public throughout Vanuatu, and of course wherever you stop, lo you understand them. One them referendum, and one them all plans where you stop in terms of campaign or awareness whereby you go around throughout the country. But lo this afternoon also, emi one demonstration whereby we ask him patalop electoral office. Lo likam so yumi from him the first time where yumi random referendum, plan till yumi we stop lo plesia, yumi no sabe, wanem na referendum ho haunai, you go vote, especially with them one way guidance planning group and also lo electoral commission only come up with them. Iki monaya lo talo electoral office lo li just doing one demonstration. Lo time you go lo custom vote.
Honorable Minister of Justice, all former Prime Ministers, Head of State with members of the Parliament, you may have run. I think small demonstration whereby we happen this evening, we show me how by Yumi one process by my Yumi Forum time Yumi go into polling station. Basically, process lo susum ballot, straight ballot, lo putum inside lo envelope mo lo putum lo ballot box. So, osem yumi save, referendum we hemi stop, and by hemi first referendum we by yumi go through lahem. So referendum we hemi by yumi go lahem, by hemi got two different questions where I'll get all the electoral commission only come up with them for the more changes where if we want to make them the constitution. So we got also we got two questions. One we have me look lo section 17A amendments to the constitution with another one the section 17B the constitution. So two la questions we stop two la drafted around lo two la articles of the constitution. 17A also yumisave hemi relate lo all members of one political party. Only want to move out the party ko join one of the party. 17B hemi relate lo all independent candidates. All parties will got single member no more inside the house. With them all movements. So.
Okay, bami elblo explain them. So ikat tufla kalas andalo lo referendum act. Emi required lo you custom vote lo you through lo two kalas we stop and green emi time where you support them amendment also we stop lo place. Me give one example. Lo place lo amendment lo 17A emitalem se me support them propose change lo constitution lo adem article 17A. Suppose you agree lehem you vote putum kala green. Lo narwan emirate rate emitalam se mino supportem propose changes lo constitution lo adem article 17A. Suppose you know supportem by you butu rate. Lo same time ikat also nara question we hemi relate lo 17B. And again, suppose you support them insertion, o uploadem Article 17B, but you vote green. Or you tell them say yes, you agree. Or you support them proposed change lo constitution, lo atem Article 17B. Similarly, lo suppose you no support them insertion lo 17B. We read also say me no support them proposed changes or changes lo constitution lo atem Article 17B, but you vote them red. It may be different lo normal time where you meet. Normally, by you choose one candidate, one face, one person, where you survey, or you vote one party, and you put to be go inside law envelope you, and you put to me go ballot box way stop. So by me give time up lo gari me take me back and through time where you go inside, one way by only give him lo you, and then how by you custom vote lo you, play me clear. Again, all demonstrations here, time where you may go out lo run mo lawanes, Paul say me happen, lo make him say every month throughout lo wherever, lo li save, how lo custom. I mean the first time, and he meet different from you some color. Thank you, God.
Thank you, DG. Yes, sir. So I think process we baba you me follow inside lo polling station lo time where you go to custom vote to you. Also me haram venis by got 2 ballot paper, one me 17A, one me 17B. Two different articles where you want them insert them, you go inside law constitution. So time you go inside, every process you miss a mark. You mean where you miss the vote finish, you miss a vote, time you go inside the polling station, you got all polling officials only stop, only help him you, only give him, check him registration to you, every something is straight. Name list the roll, then only issue him you all ballot paper to you. So the case, the referendum, yeah, from so you make 2 questions, more 2 ballot paper, but only issue him you 2 set of ballot paper. 2 set of ballot paper, yeah. Also, each you go through the finish, one ME plus 17A, one ME plus 17B. So, ballot paper, but you may maintain the same structure where you make out with the all ballot paper, where you must use them finish. Lo make them easy, lo people probably understand them. Pamba hemi stop also ballot paper we must use finish by cut narrow one lo front, a green one lo front, red one include behind them. And process and you tear them out which one where you decide to vote for them. Whether you agree, you can out green one. Suppose you don't agree, you can red one. Suppose you don't agree, you can red one. One of where important lo process, me understand them no more say. Lo make them every nara part lo completing process. Come same time where electoral commission me start lo verify results. Or make them declaration me you me use one ballot envelope no more. So even you make got 2 different ballot papers. By one ballot envelope, no more me issued lo one voter time me go inside. So suppose you go inside lo polling booth, lo small room lo vote. First time you carry out ballot paper plus 7, first ballot paper will issue him you plus 17A. Suppose you choose say bambay hemi green, from you support them, or you choose say hemi red, from you no support them. Carry ballot paper where you choose all them lo half ballot paper ya hemi no normal size floor ballot paper where bambay where you must use them every time. From say hemi got some writing lo hem lo remind them man one em na hem sta vote from. So lo place ya question by hem sta lo English, French ut em bislama. Lo time you hold them paper you save say hemi 17A ballot paper ya hemi lo yes. Mo one em na you sta vote from. From which change? Change to 17A or change to 17B. So every language is tabia, peripheral national language is tabia. Once you choose which one you want them, you fold them. follow up lo ballot envelope liyo. Ino finish yet, first ballot paper na you put on finish. The second ballot paper is not yet, but you follow the same process. 17B, you agree with them or you no agree. Suppose you agree, karam color green. Suppose you no agree, you karam color red. Put on ko inside. You again fold them. Semak envelope where you use finish where you contain them naravla ballot paper. Put them narawani ko inside pa again. So inside lo blesa pambaya mi contain them vote play you blow to get questions. Question 17A with them question 17B. Then you seal him up envelope play you. Come put them inside the ballot box. Also you must start make them to every election. Completing process play you finish them all naravla formalities inside the polling station. Ink him finger play you. After you start make a way blue outside. The side lo vote you just go through them. I mean important to us. You make sure that you look him good all ballot papers play you. That's why you put them lo bold lo look at the ballot paper 17A yes no 17B yes no mo color green mo color red. Remember say lo time lo vote ikat valid votes with them void votes. So lo case lo referendum ya valid votes pambahemi different. Pambahemi different no more from the you may use lo vote lo one ballot no more inside lo one envelope. Lo past elections where you may start making. Lo referendum you may get 2 ballots, 1 envelope. So suppose where you put to get a ballot lo 17A, you go inside, or 4 ballot to 17A mo 17B everyone you go inside. Then I may count as a 1 void vote. Suppose where you put 17A red, 17A green, 2 no more, to get up the same question, 17A, you go inside the ballot, then me 1 void vote. Suppose we have me 1 valid vote, then we must contain them 1 ballot paper plus 17A, or 1 ballot paper no more plus 17B. Inside law envelope blue. So hamia all new changes with law regulations where you must stop work to develop them, to make them process for polling inside law referendum. Hami work you must have achieve more results we want. Bagian sa minister mo DG oli state and clearly vinis. Pamba you may use national ID card, no vote. So you may stop all teams only stop prepare to make them nationwide registration with them together with the minister. So you must call out every members citizens of Vanuatu, eligible voters of Vanuatu, turn up, make them sure say all registrations will get all straight now you go registration you open finish. I use all registration tools you make up to check them registration you or the website or through all smartphones for you by scanning all barcodes where you make up the website with them Facebook or place give him inform him you no more say you registration you him all right or you need must call looking team where him stuff come down the area council blue or area blue blow make sure that them blue start the roll them start the straight place we use away cast them vote blue the day blow referendum. Thank you.
Everyone is clear. Lo explanation. Just lo hadem lo when we deputy mitalem by start from today by me stop lots. We go out lo field, reach out by you make plan the awareness about Hemia, more not information we important for this referendum. Just lo compliment them Hemia. Lo time lo polling day. All people balikam line up lo vote. Maybe some only forget about all explanation we make him lo kata lo time lo campaign by every resources by provided including all people but it's stop lo just refresh them all kata lo konyang we all campaign din uli kama around uli talem make him say inside lo polling booth uli kat clear conscience konyang na bali do inside. Thank you.
Baikat question set, lo time press conference after them, lo specific one they ask him one question, and of course minister may stop with them all leaders we stop lo please up lo answer many question. Me want to tell them also say MFS explanation of course baikat more explanation as you may go lo make him see you me very clear. I mean the first time lo strip lo you me vote all semia. With them kala, also you be got all people same way. So me want them talamusma say yes, baikat go out to make him say you me very clear. The same time too baikat a lot of information whereby me go out simple as baikat a lot of information where me go out. By him as simple as possible, lo trivial language, lo explain him you me, lo how lo vote, mo the same time lo explain him Article 17A, mo Article 17B. Emi very important you understand him and by explanation blame very clear lo you sabe so honorable minister italem all members of parliament will make him vote lo kata naya you mean people of Vanuatu by me vote them article 17 mo article 17 whatever bagan me again one day acknowledge you me everyone tell him thank you. Lobbyab lo honorable minister, all committees will stop. Lo yumisave camp, lo yumisave go through lo small briefing ya. All the same time, was the minister maybe officially launch him campaign when we come out in terms lo referendum when we go through them. Whether we back in, thank you to Mas and by making time small time lo specific any questions lo. Honorable Minister, I may ask answer him, or all technical people will stop, helping me answer him. Thank you too much.
If you got any questions, please you may ask him. And by me give him 15 minutes. As Mike go behind, or you stand up, you one step behind. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. We got honor this afternoon, Honorable Minister, with them all former leaders playing before Floraway, and Tichi and Yumi for Nimistabia. Ask him one question more. Question he calls him say. 29 of May by me fought. you think, Minister, you think say, I mean long time, I mean short time. Lo make him awareness, lo Highlands play me lo Vanuatu. We think that before you got independence, all of the play me only travel. Money is here. We call a ship. Take time. Now you must stop long. Cyclone season, you must stop time way by pathway that you come. And then Mr. Come to step him. Movement play me time call Patlo Islands. So Vanuatu, time cyclone become, and we recommend every place here. So you think say about 29 May, I mean long one, I mean short. Now you put on something, you must think law. All times, Mr. Kapi, because you mean no control of disaster. Natural disaster can destroy. So me ask about me say long or short time. I mean meeting is supposed to be short. Me put me come all sometimes medal blow here.
Question please, me take a note. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Minister of Climate Change, me come inside, me acknowledge him, na me boss low with the please. Thank you, Minister of Presence, please. You make at government believes you make at enough time. You may have a mountain one nationwide campaign law period from the time where you may been passing me and you may launch him last week. So that's February, March, April. We believe say or before he been got one time, you only make him or awareness. Maybe why me give him lo Joe and me got a little bit of experience law. How much time now only been using lo 1979. So that's why me think say me important lo list up lo list have answer all kind question also.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you for the question. Yes, I think me fly to 1979, me fly press from time. From where me fly work on one program. Say after long constitution he agreed. If they sign with the England Mofranes, then he must cut election. So we must make him something quick time. So make him say, if you got 1 month sum of law, travel all every island. So we divide them all. We divide them all at I think September, somewhere in September. August, September, or October. From October now, you must sign him. October 5. October 5, you must sign him Constitution. So around September. So you must have all now, you must have or something. Yes. Roughly, 1 month. 1 month for travel on any means. Call a speedboat, plane, canoe, walk out, relax. So I want to play, they make him. But people do not time here. People only anticipate them or something from talk about independence. People are quite aware. So you're going to tell them, Constitution is a man now keep law independence, Constitution. You must cut them. You must cut them before independence. So people only. So today we must have a public reaction also on them. Time only here in Parliament go up and down, government change. Only keen blow. Make a referendum or no? We must have answer the question here. But the thing when the minister give him, I mean long time. I think at least 3 months. 3 months I think we think say time enough. Like you must freedom team or what law country. Thank you.
swa se all people blo yumi all vote because semi future blo yumi. Mi kat concern mo lo wan hindi ko se mati yumi front yumi start lo room ya yumi register mo sim card blo yumi finish ha. An blo register mo sim card ya you must cut national ID blo you. Mi full mi round full tana minu sa mas time mi ko October November December lo last year. One something when we find them out, Honorable Minister, say full up lo all valap lo yumi, mo some people lo yumi lo some area lo yumi lo tana, yumi no kat all sim card. Minu save lo narfla, but mi karam information lo narfla colleague lo mi oli ko register lo narfla island. Oli find them something say some people only no cut ID card yet. Question lo minu mo say from by yumi vote, by yumi usum ID. Mi no sabes pos minister yumi kat power blow. Megem one, mi no sabe how by yumi megem, but lo megem say every man only mas putu vote lo katal, say yumi sa tram lo talem. So, question lo mi also now say how now? Suppose yumi come across lo some people way only one them vote pe ID only come lo polling station ID no kat. I think him now. Me want them putum lo yumi lo blesya lo yumi ting lem from yumi want them say every people lo Vanuatu yumi must vote from referendum. Thank you Thomas.
Thank you long question ya ting emi clear. Much as possible everybody will participate long voting long referendum. And by you do him everything necessary, even as much as possible, to try and allow him flexibility. Long holding thing also me discussing with them all staff the table, ensure say me no leave him anyone behind when by him no vote simply because he got one administrative failure. So by you try and block from my place. You got any more questions? Ari Addison.
Good afternoon, Minister. Good afternoon, Minister. Question lo mi lol RSC workers Australia New Zealand. I got proxy blokata or no?
Thank you. Yes, I think medal of Venice and by team me travel, including electoral office, local all places here, and as much as possible, we'll try and look all places so you miss have put to my place you probably come forward lehem, all areas where you need to make a proxy or me announce in the parliament today, but by me happen or thinking but by you may take them on board long regulations be you me. Now lo reform package so you may been passing the parliament there, you may got one you may repeal the People's Representation Act, you may got electoral act where me stop come into place now where me allow for electronic voting. But from say you may no cassette them yet, simply because you may run a referendum yeah, you may announce them under the People's Representation Act, they may stop go finish and state law, me advise them by you may hold them tight them first time. But in as far as all provisions for Referendum Act 2004 he concerned, he give him allow him opportunity here with the regulations or whatever he have come inside to try and cater for how you may allow every people to participate in voting. But yes, of course, proxy him always one option where we start voting. You got any more questions? Me want to reiterate them no say Article 17A with them 17P. Pambay ikat all information ya, pambay me go out and all people who are responsible for communication strategies for you me, pambay only ensure say all amendments who have me stop ya, and particularly long how pambay you me summarize them lo pislama lo one way where even every people blue me only have understand them all remotest village you me. By information ya ambai yumi stop disseminate them through law la group law communication yumi. Anybody who me usum yumi no encourage him. Government mambai me no sanction him any unauthorized document where me no straight, including lo time lo polling day where people only try and put more different languages, so even lo time lo use of social media, only use all la green and red papers here with the more different languages inside. I mean, by you strictly control them long with them regulation where only stop draft them now. Or got only want to participate long campaign by you me control them too. Me only come register, and if there's something you may want to make them, you may have a document them. This is not the first and final press conference by you may got more in particular. On the let me give them out. Me take him says suppose you no more got any questions as former Prime Minister Mr. Sope.
Thank you, Minister. We want them ask them no from now. We want them use some IT card pro vote. The IT card is safe or you start go through one electoral process here where people only register and the law election. So you must get one electoral card. And lo electoral card you look also mi fala you all finish mi fala look out them code. Me electoral card blue card. Pero IT card where the sta me kam now if all plastic will put them around them, plumbing no would finish. If all fall down. Information we stop lo IT card, I mean no semak. We stop lo electoral card. So some IT card, I mean lo ID, lo one election, I mean important say you should use some electoral card. Where information where place you stop, information lo date or even mama, papa, tayo look lo IT card or something, no card. Because send me one electoral card. You may call one and time you look lempa, you may call one referendum where me pick one more pitim election. Province, municipal. Madam, me ask a Muslim say, "Am safe or safe? No, say am for some it's me go rural area, me go Tana or people who got card finish, blue card here. And all kata you them card here long how many election of you them go only date the mona card is stop. Supposed to be mess them low IT card. Asamala stop before money date ya. Or simple me, no good finish. Thank you.
By me give him lo electoral commission by me respond and me sabi atem more lo detail.
Thank you, Tomas. Lo question way come. Everyone good for the question. Lo ID card also time we mission for election. I give him detail for election. No more be. Time we go inside the system. It tell him everything about you. It tell him when time you born. It tell him when time. From ID card here, I produced lo cream na. I make my ID card here where my primary identity play stuff inside. Mommy play to stuff inside. Daddy play stuff inside. All information is stuff inside. Tayo mi kamlo election, ami polling station na mo. That's why tayo you got one ID card. Mas kamlo electoral office pa kan. Bloli sabi activate them something ya. Blo you sabi vote lem. Tayo you go you swipe them. Blo send sub lem. Oh so si wala local bebo you lista hole you got one QR code. You got one touchscreen mobile. You scan them ya. By talem straight le you webless polling station le you stop lem. So the election, I tell them no more place where you register for vote lehem. ID card ya, why me change from blue, more red card, ikam lo ID card from him save. Is possible sa good lo you born one time no more. And pet registry number play you, stop lo ID card. Card ya way stop me you stop lo tana, you sabe issue one card le you come lo pot wila, you sabe issue narawan. But this one, suppose you issue him. From you got one pet registry number, I must have ID card play you. And maybe want to manage all duplication inside the system play me. Blow make them say one man you have register 2 times. So time you register lotana, you come you want to register back and while it identify him say you register finish. So emi important the side election, emi safe. Emi safe play me issue national ID card the way where by no duplication lo role lo system play me lo list play me by all life man no mo ifot in all that man to all ifot from time where you mission katia blue card mo red katia you make a proxy lo wanted man and you go make them say that man ifot but this ID card I issue lo live people you were you live you born one time you know born 2 times so she born 2 times you know mo stop lo wall ya. Thank you too much.
By me give him lo direct up lo civil registry to by me just help me federal and thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Me just want to know more when I'm chairman of Public Service Commission and me related companies. Electoral Commission. So si look like IT blue you look at one area only talam place of residence. From place of residence I may identify when polling station blue by column. So time you go you scan them by lo process lo temo where you give him tete to by stop lo polling station. So you take a mighty card you go you scan them lo machine, tablet. Then by me sabi confirm say you stop the right polling station. So she start the wrong polling station. By polling officer, me tell him you say you need local right polling station lo custom vote play. Every information you look at is tabia. Every information where all fly me mention them by me appear lo small tablet. Every information lo registry. Tati, mami, everyone, all happy lo place. So, lo talem ating give assurance na mo me say national ID card, safe. Maybe you must have RM say full up. Lo pass you must have RM story and say got all that man only vote. But this time everyone only life man bali vote. Thank you, Thomas.
No, Honorable Minister, Mr. Weka. Plan by me. Understand. Referendum. You mean referendum? Yeah, emi supposed to be clear. You mean stop making blow. You mean time up system blow. You mean with them political integrity bill way. You mean pass them. Supposed to be correct. In sense, political there's a political party. Pas long parliament no need long only hope from here to here so that by we got one stable government long country. If that is the forecast issue long referendum. Now, suppose you main focus, you mean not look back long 11-year government long Father Walter Linney, stable government. You mean look back, you go long former Prime Minister Maxime Carlo Corman, stable government. You mean not look back, you go long Ham Linney, stable government. You mean not look back, you come long Salo Salwai, stable government. 23 years of stable government. What we have lost. Suppose we look say.
Alex, come direct with the question, please, because you
okay. My question is.
Give me the question.
Is that because what we have lost, we need a stable government to move further forward now? Referendum may come because what we have lost from the 23 stable government.
I think you answered the question, please, very well. Because of the political instability and particularly as of late. You may look him close up, you may got 4 prime ministers period 18 months. So as leaders, we need to rise and do something. So Parliament may reach some consensus lemma. Parliament may got one unanimous vote. It's time for change. People only agree? Yes. Only vote. The mere way meetings exercise them right, no vote. Because meetings say no, you may look back, history, look all this, how many years of stable government. Those years, mind them, you may say, those years were never without instability. There were challenges for instability. But you may want them try as much as possible, you may move on. How much development cost you may instability and because you may. So if that's the question, then let me now answer them.
20 years now, Surem Republic of Vanuatu, with this referendum, things will be all right. Will be all right.
Butterfly stablo hand blue, you know, stablo hand blue. This is the question we want always easy. And me ask him, say, you sure? Say, you stakara you me do go to one right place. Me say, you answer him question yellow number 29 May.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Honorable MP Kras.
Thank you, your Minister. Good evening, Lord. You everyone, all excellencies, honorable former prime ministers and members of parliament, and everyone, Lord. For this afternoon, Blomi, came on a ton, Lord, respond, Lord, on questions where may been raised. Essential, Lord. Everything inside the referendum may be empowerment political party and stability inside the political party, and you may believe say stability inside the political party na may contribute lo one stability inside the one government. And now I may mention thing how you may empowerment political party, and you may believe say that we got substance plus one member of parliament inside one political party. May contribute to one stability inside one government. You may have a government law. Period to a constitution may provide him yumi. Unfortunately, also we use a minister. He got amendment to Article 17, and he got also Article 43 of the Constitution way. And we provide for removal of one prime minister. And mea yumi no sabe passem, yumi no sabe passem last time. Tami Mr. make more changes lo manis lo December. You been look forward lo. You make an amendment to Article 43. Article 43 we make him Article 43 we talk about one motion of no confidence against one prime minister. And may minus of a rich. Me like to encourage him yourself say what the one way you Mr. look forward me all collective effort way where at least you Mr. want something look you put stability lo time where me stop come. One roller thing way by any contribute lo future lo thing no any period lo governance lo one prime minister. How long emi save governance after lo election lo also prime minister lo emi save govern after Bombay you save put one motion of no confidence against the prime minister. Last time me been me also sorry me declare me interest me also one member of parliament me been put something iko say Bombay meeting say Bombay imi putum say 12 months. After the 12 months, Bombay imi say put one motion of no confidence against one prime minister. And I think in a Kobe meeting say suppose you reach him that place and emena information and should come out lo one simple way every man understand him. Yes. I think issue plo you may vote whether yes or not, maybe Bombay maybe secondary, the primary thing maybe blow. People you must understand one simple way say one them changes maybe one them go from. Yes. For the last 43 years, you may been walk about, plan the question me raise, plan the with them respect lo plan the law will been part lo the right them constitution. Me vala this come inside, me vala leaders. You must grow. And you must graduate for an evolution. And meeting say me one very important moment, and moment is significant after 43 years. And you may run, you must look say, no, you want to go for change. And also my minister rightly tell them say, every member of parliament only collectively put me for there, only want to look him say, by you make up, by you go for change. And MNN means starting thing. And suppose you meet join hands together with them, everyone, cooperation with everyone. And by you Mr. Ko from Taketia, where you may run, you may expect them to be looking change. Thank you.
Thank you, long solidarity, Honorable MB, long Malagula. We believe you'll talk now, you may one lehem kasem. Thank you. We shall allow him 2 more questions, last one, and then you may shall. Joe, one from behind and Joe, last one.
Good afternoon. Afternoon. All kata leaders, minister with them, all for my leaders, all kata wadi present. Good afternoon. We got one question, Honorable Minister. Me want to know most clear Sorry. You
shout no more answer question please. I think se mi got Mr. Vera. Thank you, Keith. I think Article 17A with the Article 17B, now me address him question here, meeting se by awareness blue yumi also honorable MP mi stop talk about by mi send around lo to vola articles here, and mi sabe give him one summary lo you now, yeah? But basically article in summary article 17A me to do with the vacation of seat where a member of parliament he resigns or he terminated for ceasing to support the political party. So again, please say we go back to strengthen the political party systems. Blow you me. Then I am thinking blow you me. Ensure say time when you come inside the parliament, you come inside the political party, yeah, you remain until the term. Let me finish. That's 17A. 17B have to do with the vacation of seat of an independent member of parliament. So, Bambai you will look him here, also Bambai more detailed explanation, Bambai may come. Bambai you will look him say article where me to do with them 17B, have me give him one process law, one me allow him one independent MP, me have a contest under one custom movement, for example. Suppose he come inside the parliament being the only one member seat long as an independent or custom movement. And we must affiliate within certain time frame, 30 days, 3 months, 3 months, and we must affiliate the one political party, and then we remain there until for a templo parliament or legislature. So me na hemi to different. So you may been one them say you may got one question no more. The time where or legal experts play me or sit down or look them go say, I think him good you make 2 questions because will help him address him point law. You as elected member you come inside the one political party with them where he come as a custom movement or an independent MP for parliament. And you affiliate to one political party, you start. So basically me will help him political party system or even blocks where you make a state law. You may look him all members only jump out 1-1 and then government may start to lose some number and eventually government may fall down, which is what we have seen. Yes. Me share and plant the experiences with the all over sit down is before time where you come in as moderate, you remain a moderate. Until end of term, you come in as then you remain long where you come inside land. Until recently you be looking value political value loyalty with them devotion lo party you me start me away. And then you make him say you may come inside of them. So you must have to talk about the justification blame me pick one. So that's why press conference today, me no go too much lo detail. Because detail now, Bamba you may give him lo all people lo all simple language, lo people lo have understand. I believe say me answer. Joe, me got a question. You last one.
Sorry, thank you, Honorable Minister. All big man blame stop for my head of state, for my Prime Minister. Thank you, lo efforts where me done. Me work on National Youth Council. Me karam support lo youth to lipat lo program we stop. President lo youth to him stop lo officer lo support them campaign. With them by work with them all youth president lo area council, but support them campaign we stop. Lo executive meeting lo this year. You may be in passing resolution lo support them campaign we stop. So National Youth Council me behind law effort we stop. Now question be me go say lo pastika me got all efforts we different governments been trying to change him political instability. Been got some constitutional review committee been stable passed. You may been stable him. They go fast lo parliament. And then lo naya all push lo make him say you got referendum and you come lo people. Lo earlier you tell them say butterfly stop lo and lo people be meeting say butterfly stop lo and lo you may throw. So suppose we you may stop make a referendum and mistako all people will tell them yes. By the parliament, but tell them yes or no. Lord delegate time we must stop him na he got one vote of no confidence and we take in place. So one motion is on now. So whether by lo employee by all big man being but look at lempakan thinking where people only come up with them but tell them say yes we will them change. And whether by equal will self empakan Lord say we lo pass the got all recommendations for me amend them constitution after more all thinking and been passed back and law parliament. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Big man.
Thank you. Question I think answer to you, Joe. Me short. Firstly, me appreciate him. Government me appreciate him participation, potential participation. Lol you to buy only involved them. Town, Assembly level area council. So you will take contact with him. He is fully engaged with them all youth. Parliament me doing work with finish. Now you go back, people only ratify him. Because people only ratify him, then law your constitution come into effect. Parliament me pass a finish. Parliament me make him amendment to him need me make a finish. Me aware law all time, all period so we even come to one climax 2016-17. I got some all kata all former ministers lo time. You've been trying to push me go, no saveko. Because everyone will agree. And then we come to all successive governments come the same as lately as this government when we stop. He never got number. Honorable Minister blow climate change. Mitula now mitula been leading the Constitutional Review Committee. Me chairman and me vice chairman lem blow 7th amendment. It never happened because me believe in some Constitutional Review Committee work ya consultation with government people too. Me will fail to secure number. Majority will be required to amend the constitution. Now the time me been come. Lo last political events we been facing me will finally consolidate the parliament. Yes, I mean no comment the motion here because people will sign the motion here only very same people will lift them up hand look at that. But tell them say enough is enough. So this is the time where you may stop go forward lem na ya and me believe say parliament and me achieve consensus ya finish you ask him butterfly me will kill him butterfly lo me will finish ya and I come back to you me so people yes butterfly stop lo hand you but you eventually decide say yes you me call them and you me go suppose you decide say no you me vote no parliament and me do best plan finish with the wisdom with parliament and me got me will complete work lo me will finish kid family him you lo italam good night with them question to you ale.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Hello, opportunity to give him with them all respective leaders will staff. Since my Prime Minister, me no got question. Minister namno blotalem in support lo one way Minister. I think any time blow me change. Minister namno lo remind me bagan lo stamba tuk blim staff behind Liuya. Lo God you Mr. Nap. Mr. Became sing out come lo you everyone. Everyone only listen lo media. You Mr. Bless ya. Na me time lo prayer. Former Prime Minister, I tell him say 40 I with him every narrow vote, if it him provincial vote, if it him national vote. So if touch him stampa mama law blame your man Vanuatu, law court you stand up. I think who's when me right place, play me find him peace lamb, he may come back to presence blow God. In all church leader no problem again, in all ministers no problem again, you me everyone. Man Vanuatu, it time blow prayer. Meeting said, "Wusi mi putum straight ting-tingnya, God first time lol prosesnya, by mi control yang weather, by control yang solwata, control yang wind, I control yang ting-ting, control yang heart every man." Tapi mi koncar lo palet posya, imi kat peace, ma clarity of mind. From one em, from spirit lo God iliti yumi. Pray make him change lo nation ya. I think for too long, imi harem all voice lo money tok. Na it's about time imi aram voice block ti tok itachem hat plimi everyone. All parliamentarians so li fese time ya. Lumi kemol di sinan tap so li kama wotem tintingnya. Imi everyone is supportem. Let's go in. Let them spread block ti imi. Mr. Nabena blo talam se itam blo prayer. Every man blo Vanuatu. Usually stalisian lo media. Mr. Pegem singati kami mi everyone. Lo God yumi stand up. Use mi time blo change. Let them go ti yumi. God bless you everyone.
Thank you, Keith. Unfortunately, Mamba Minumo have taken many more questions. Just blow talano mo say every effort se mi done for level of government, parliament, and we complete them. Now you must separate you make aram kolo people. People will decide. We want to tell them thank you, lo you will everyone, where you will stop it today. Tell them thank you, lo His Excellency President too, lo commitment blame, where emi remain focused long one them where. We want to make him and meetings the president and we remain committed, and as well as the government, we remain committed. President, he got all powers blame, blow exercise him, blow good time, blow part time, blow help of you, blow put you, go straight road where you missed up. So him exercise him road blame. You civil responsibility, him come back to you back and you exercise him road blame. Suppose me give him place here, lo one, all the formal leaders with the one you want to tell them one concluding talk before you may finish, because now I'm concluding press conference you may now. So with anyone you want to cut any last remaining, no? Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Just slow and experience no more. This instability where you've been served one political party. First one, the Vanuatu party, where you write in the constitution blame, say any member of the Vanuatu party, where you sign one motion of no confidence, where you lose some tape blame. I mean about 1981 or 82. Established constitution party. I make that one instability happen. Unless some members of the party only sign one motion. 1 year is down. Former Prime Minister. Let me sign a motion here. Party sack him from resolution here. We play ko not Pentecost, lo besake. Mi now mi write him. So amena ali sakam para. Para ki karam kesi ko lo court, the Supreme Court. Supreme Court italam se Vanuatu party wrong. It should not sakam para ki kat fundamental right lo constitution. Lo make him something you want them. Sign a motion. So Baraki win him case. So now by me put him law constitution. Tabi ko law constitution. Suppose Baraki make him back and mama him lose. That's one example, An example. Thank you.
Okay, thank you too much. What the more get talk ya, me wish him you one pleasant weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Again, thank you, everyone, when we come this evening. Because you may start them time with them prayer, Honorable Minister, with them leaders who stop, and we go to close some time with them prayer. At the same time, you got refreshment is outside. You want them take them jungle juice. You got opportunity to you take them outside, and the rest, of course, custom drink. You got anyway by me stand up, by me close him time blue, by me give mona lo former Deputy Prime Minister, Seti Vanuatu, lo ba ime ka one prayer blimi lo close time blimi.
Let me pray. God, Papa, we thank you too much long opportunity we come together. Lord, witnessing official launching for national referendum. We will play go him. I ask him, you guide me for the journey, give me for strength and vision, more everything we will need him, but make him work here successful to the end. As we will live in place here, we will praise him over you go with him. Bless him, bless him government, also bless the members of public, and as before we will take a refreshment, we will ask him, you bless him, more use him, more strengthen them, life for me, one. We may not pray for me, but I make it one name for Jesus Christ, let me save everyone. Amen.
Okay, while you stuck outside, all leaders play me to lista lopesa. You make respect ya all gatas, personally sa take him all refreshment, and then you all public you try and blow take him refreshment. So give him on ya all gata from what we make him before, and of course feel free to come blow story and with them gata wisdom we got, knowledge we got, and really inspirable blow one of you stuck throughout law. One way me and back lem naya. Thank you.
One referendum, anytime long you me make him choice. Long walk, long straight passing all time. Any national duty belong you me too. You mean no hide, no complain behind. Forward you me march, you me ready now. You me got right, you me everyone. Forward you me march, you me ready now. So Vanuatu move now, yeah.
Yes.
One, two, three, four, five. Are you asking a question or kami sa gusto ko naman? Okay. Yes, good evening, everyone, Vanuatu. Now here, also my minister me launch some work long campaign, lo referendum by me start now. Start lo week, few days week up. My team is now go out long talk about referendum or how by people vote, only vote yes, law all amendment where parliament passed. I mean, very important. From law 43 years of independence, after where you may been cut constitution, law you may where you may been sign them, if now you've been sign them, if you've been write them, sign them, law 1979, constitution here, may work, be good, long some years, particularly the first 12 years or 11-year government where all the lineal leading from one party, and we got majority, a Holland died stability. And then time we become coincide the government for 1991, over they been work, we got stability. And then time where you missed out come because all instability was to happen. Instability from where, from one end. You mean all human being no more. Some person blame me, stop change. 43 years, some person blame me, stop change. Make him say, you must look back again, long constitution, to make him more stable or political or governance environment and become more stable. To make him say development is a way of it. Time we got instability, have money change, and then you start wasting money. Time with one cup money change, money here, you know, budget, at least I pay one you cup money come in, or you pay more get the way out. So money where all cup money is so kakai, all changes there, changes for instability, so make them. Money, you must have use them, to build them maybe some double classroom, or build them one rural road, or build them some water tank, or build them some medicine, or put them in one dispensary. But you must have Western law, same kind something here. So stability is key. Stability is key for development. So this is why referendum here, you must have make them, bringing back stability inside the governance system, so that government is having work for longer period, but delivering service to all people, long nation blaming. Now, people are writing constitution, people think say any right time, make them referendum, you may make them environment politics, environment governance, and become more stable. Constitution, unlike Bible, I mean, quote it talk long. All man blame, all he write them. Constitution, you mean a more human being, you may write them. All them will for people. When you go, you look, say, situation is stuck, I'm not good, and you may it, and by you may correct them, you may. All them will for people. And will for people now, and may now, if I come through the referendum. You for people, by now, you give them endorsement. To make them all changes here happen, so that you may bring them up, you may bring them back, stability, you come law, parliament blame me, stability law, government blame me, more stability law, nation blame me. Thank you.
Time blow voice and bright long you now, yeah, stand up strong.
Good afternoon, good evening, Vanuatu. Mimi coordinator of the national communications team lo referendum. And lo next week go, pamilay start lo work with them all different group. We got all kita all 4 pillars. So chief, woman, young pala, people with them disability. You work with them churches. You work with them civil society, public service. You work too with them all agents. Lo kata wali travel go Australia and New Zealand. Lo mo make seasonal work. By through the electoral office, by got all visits with them minister. We'll stuck around. Basically, next week you must kick him off. Visit Plimi now, and you be kick him off walk where you got Plimi make him. Especially lo round of Vanuatu, while you must plan lo how best you must have a movie go lo la part round lo outside of Vanuatu. So please, by you stand by. Why you stand by? Suppose you harm, or you look at a text message, or you harm the social media. You make it on social media page. Lo 2024 referendum. Plan me say every end of the week. But you me recap lo updates lo when what's to happen. You make got traditional media. You got VBTC, Capital FM 107, Daily Post, and of course you make got all network where you walk the ground where you got a message go out. And campaign team lo let me vele sabe na mo kasi date we by me custom ballot plumi. I mean 102 days. So you got 102 days play me reach him several 100,000 people around in Vanuatu mulo narvala place the world. So please suppose you look message come out. Just be receptive. Lo hara one na message all offices all karami kam lo storan lem about referendum. You got good full information. So when you missed make maybe first time ever. So me challenge you to be part of history. Me always say I got full up group or list of talent full of messages. But suppose you want to have balanced messages. By team and I come out taking balanced messages after you make a one decision them. Otherwise what I problem is say by God is with the God bless and God bless the Republic of Vanuatu. Thank you too much.